Anytime you dress up like this, you could just be like sugar cane.
You want to start going?
Let me send you money for transport.
Money for my transport, why? I thought you said you love me.
I love you now, that's why I'm sending you money.
Okay.
So that's how you show your love.
Who are you?
So right now you're indirectly calling me an Olusho.
What's going on here?
You've gotten what you want now. So you have to pay me off.
How can you be saying something like that?
Am I not good enough for you? Am I not good enough to be your girlfriend? You told me you wanted a relationship with me. But now you've gotten what you wanted and you want to pay me off.
Don't say anything wrong with that. Eh? I just want to give you money for your transport, for your upkeep, for you to just get something. Besides, that's what most girls want.
Oh, so now you're comparing me with other girls. Do I look hungry to you? When I came to your place, I paid my transport fee by myself. Besides, if I want some money, I could talk to my father. You? Are you my father? And how dare you say you don't give me money for upkeep? How dare you?
Okay, Cindy. Yeah? I'm getting it all wrong. Yeah? I just want to give you a gift. The money is just for appreciation, just like a gift.
Are you daft? You want to get me a gift? Go out there and get me a gift. That was something like, okay, yes, I really, really love this girl. But no, you want to give me money like those cheap, hungry girls you pick from the streets.
Azal now.
Oh my God. Me. You know what? I can't take this anymore. I can't do this with you. I deserve better. Let me call my dad.
Not you professional here for this one.
Am I dreaming? Nothing person no go see for this Lagos. Eh? Share this one now, na asset. I been a problem.